Let's talk
is
about a new rideshare company that's coming in a few weeks.
Okay, full disclosure. Okay, I'm always full disclosure. I am an independent outside consultant with this company. So that's the disclosure part. The other part is one of these two founders of this company is ex-Uber. Okay, and they have done, Chris, let me tell you this. Okay, I met these guys like 6 months ago, first time, right? They go like, we want to start this rideshare company. I go, how many billions of dollars do you have? That was the first question I asked. They go, well, we don't have billions. Okay. But Chris, on Android and iOS, the driver and the rider app was ready in 2 months.
Nice.
2. So the name of the company
it's a nice basic app.
Yeah, the name of the company is Yride, Y-Ride, like Y.
Now, do you have to have a Model Y in order to do this?
No, you don't have to have a Model Y. Okay, so we're onboarding drivers. Guess where they're launching, Chris?
Please tell me San Francisco.
Yes, sir. Right in the backyard of the big boys. So we're gonna go play with the big boys now. I am not owner of the company, part owner of the company, but I'm going to support this company 1,000,000% with everything I know and direct them to not do what these companies are, what the other two have done. These people are working super hard. Their onboarding drivers, onboarding process is the same. If you have any curiosity, if you're in the Bay Area, okay, Bay Area meaning Sacramento, San Jose, San Francisco, Bay Area, Oakland, please go check their website, www. It's in the show notes probably, yride.com. The apps are ready in the App Store, iOS, or you can download it and give it a run. I'm not going to get into too many details because I'm going to have the founder on probably shortly, in maybe next month. But it is definitely much better than Uber and Lyft as far as driver pay is concerned. It's not even a question about it. In fact, they did some, and this is from their website. The website's up, by the way. The apps are up. Onboarding is the same thing. You upload your documents just like Uber and Lyft. You go through background check. They're paying for the background check, just like Uber and Lyft. And you just go on. That's it. Now, what I am looking for in drivers for this company is entrepreneurial, spirited, business-minded people. If you don't have that, don't bother. But if you're in the Bay Area, please go check them out. They're looking for drivers. They want to acquire about 500 drivers to start, which should not be a problem. And there is zero commission. Zero, like you guys heard, zero. You keep all the fare. This, again, there has been companies like this before. And I usually don't talk about them because I don't believe it. Whatever you're going to get, the 100%, is after they pay for commercial insurance. And if Lyft is watching, it's not like that external expenses hocus pocus. They're in California, right, Chris? You would think their commercial insurance rates would be like 50% of the fare, right? It's not. It's not. It's like 20%. So all I'm telling you people is go check them out. Company is Yride. This is their website. And one more screenshot. Again, App Store. I mean, Chris, in 3 months, these people did so much work. This is the logo. I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. And then they put up some sample trips, what the driver would have made. So from the Peninsula to South Bay, 19 miles, 23 minutes. And this is the receipt that you guys are going to see, okay? And base fare is $25.90. And total payable, and if you take the SMTMC part, it shows what the hourly is going to be on these. So on the first trip, which is 19 miles, 23 minutes, $1.40 per mile or $67 per hour. Peninsula to East Bay, 14.6 mile, 23 minutes, $1.60 per mile or $60 per hour. City to city short trip, like the ones in San Francisco probably, $4.80 per mile or 43 per hour. Now, all these breakdowns are on their website as well. The company name is Yride. I'm going to give him a full hand to make them succeed so we can go play with the big boys. And I want them to succeed. I hope they succeed. And they need drivers, so please go take a look. That's it.
All right.
Especially here in the Bay Area.
So. Sounds like plan. So if you're there, check it out. If it's interesting to you, it should be, because I always say,
if you do have questions, you can send them to me. Send me the questions if you have questions. So I'll try to answer them. If not, I'll forward your questions to the people that need to go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.